I'm so full. If I'm gonna rate the food, the ramen here, ramen nagi, from 1 to 10, it's 4. I don't like the texture of their noodles and the way they make their soup. Not my type. I don't know that. Yesterday, it's red full moon, ano? Yesterday, that's eclipse. Red full moon and eclipse. So I pray to remove all the negativity in my life, all the negatives, and cut all the toxic and the karma. Not all the people that they only bring me, they only give me painful, hurt, toxic nonsense. Remove all the betrayals, the lying, cheating, everything, all the negatives. And cut it out for good, for life. Start the fresh start. I don't know if people likes the relaxed life only, relax and cool, something that's not heavy, something that is so light, so positive. Doesn't serve the purpose, then forget it. Maybe I still gonna have 20 years more to live, and that 20 years maybe I will enjoy my life. Enjoy it as much as I can. healing, self-love, focus on myself, meet lots of